Itong next tablet na papakita ko sa inyo might surprise you. It's from a new brand. Ang brand niya is Axie. This is the Axie Pad na 11-incher. One of the good things dito sa kanya is 4G capable siya. And magugulat ka sa kanyang presyo, which is definitely very, very competitive. And honestly, you would forget about yung mga Xiaomi Pad, Poco Pad, Realme Pad, or mga Infinix Pad, Huawei Pad, Honor Pad. Ito, I would say na panalong-panalo to, especially if your kids are going back to school. And nung in-unbox ko siya, I would say na not bad ang kanyang quality. And hindi naman siya ganun kakapalan. And yung kanyang durability, I have yet to tell after using this for a few weeks. So, right now, kaka-unbox lang natin just a couple of days ago. And I'm beginning to like this tablet. One of the good things naman dito sa kanya is yung kanyang 4G connectivity and okay naman kanyang display. Wala akong naging problema. And best of all, it comes together with a free keyboard, na which sa ibang brand, kailangan mong bayaran ba itong keyboard na ito for mga 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Dito, libre na. Except yung kanyang pen, which is definitely going to be sold separately. Pero okay naman siya. I love yung kanyang touch sensitivity nito. And you'll be waiting for yung aking full review netong tablet na ito, plus yung kanyang price reveal, which is going to come really, really soon. So if you're interested dito, sa tablet na ito, just click the yellow basket and I'll let you know kung magkano siya once na nag-launch to here in the Philippines. Itong Axie Pad. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget.